What?
I'm almost feeling a bit guilt.
For what? For what?
Having to sort of spend time with those girls going back and forth.
The sales swing.
Hmm?
The sales girls. Sheesh. You want something, eh? If they are standing there with no clients, you know what awful her life would be. She was fine. She never pulled a face, she never hesitated to show something else. Yeah, but she was fine.
You know that there are...
So it's glasses today and it's only 10 pounds.
Yeah, I mean... I already see a line in my... I hope it's not just the reflection of the sun.
No, I think they are darker on the top than at the bottom. When you read, you don't have the color, right? It has, it's like very focal, very, like, that's how I see them. They are only polarized on the top and the bottom is not. So when you read, it's not dark, I guess.
Later.
It's like maybe it is or...
You know that I'm so used to my prescription glasses that now that I'm walking without,
You don't see well, eh?
I don't see well,
Yeah, I have the same with my sunglasses. So I told you.
and I feel like I'm walking on the moon.
You need to, yeah, I have the same as mine. It almost makes me seasick in the beginning, but you get used to it.
Exactly.
That's why prescription sunglasses
Yeah.
is what we need. Because unless you put contact lenses in, then you can have your sunglasses. Here, Freddie. Do you miss it?
Well, the girls are crazy. The people are funky.
Yeah, it's less boring, that's for sure.
It's yeah, it has a different charm.
It has a different culture.
Oh, come, I promise myself this. Can go. It's not a perfect combination because there's music playing behind.
Yeah, I told you what a perfect
Might still come back here. But I'm glad we are there because I'm not ashamed of saying that I stay there. There are these things that's maybe too much aspiration of having the right thing, the good thing, the right dress. come with such speed sometimes. It should be limited to 5 kilometers per hour or something. As if I've lost some height or something.
Lost some? Some what?
It's as if I've lost some height.
Are you shrinking?
No, it's okay. Feel better. Remind me to check at some point that I'm actually recording anything or not. Sure I am.
I want to check it now. What do you see? I said I see.
Well, at least when we go check Jesus on the bridge. Let's stick to the left a bit. It's other areas where you can record the sounds.
We also have no food, eh? We have
Then you go on the... There's very little room to do. It's going to be hot too.
Just a minute.
Here you don't have the rolling stones. You see that you don't have this of the roll of the stones that roll.
Yeah.
The weather is very strange today. Just feel it might rain. So humid. Oh look, he's selling bull.
Or Charlton. Are we going past it or we're walking there?
Ano ba?